Hey guys, welcome to today's video. How is everyone doing? So in this video, I'll be recreating this everyday makeup look using only products from super affordable brand e.l.f. Cosmetics. And as it is Christmas time, Santa's little helpers, e.l.f. Cosmetics, have kindly sponsored this video, and therefore I'm going to be doing a really exciting giveaway, which you can find out all about later on in this video. You need to just keep on watching to find out how you can win some amazing e.l.f. gift sets. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. So I am back barefaced, ready to go in with step number one, and that's going to be the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. Now, this is £12.50 for a 30ml bottle. It's infused with salicylic acid, we've got vitamin E in there, and also we have tea tree. Now these are all great ingredients to fight against breakouts and to help the makeup last longer. Now it dries quickly on the face, which is great, and it doesn't look creamy either. I find sometimes primers that you apply that are more affordable can look quite creamy on the skin, and it's just not kind of the first step that I like to take. So now that's all blended in, we're going to move on to the colour correctors. Now these are £5. They come in 4 different shades. They have a lilac, which helps brighten sallowness and yellowness to give you a nice healthy looking glow. They have a green one, which helps with redness, and they have these 2 shades, which is what I need, and that's to help hide dark circles under the eyes, something I really struggle with personally. So they have 2 different shades, a darker shade and a lighter shade. Now in this routine, as I'm doing more of a everyday natural look, I'm going to be using a BB cream in my next step rather than a foundation. So I'm going to go for the lighter shade because it's going to be easier to blend in together. Now I'm just going to apply it to the eye. It's made up of a nice creamy formula, so it just melts into the skin, as you can see, and it's really easy to blend as well. It's actually infused with vitamin E again, which is going to help hydrate your eye area. And you can just do this with your finger. You could do it with a beauty blender if you want to, but I find because it's got this nice creamy texture, it is very easy to just blend into the skin. So now both eyes are blended in, we're going to move on to step 3, which is our BB cream. I would probably say a blemish balm is my favourite product because they're very natural. It just gives you a slight tint to the face. It helps hide blemishes, which is something that I struggle with. Now this one is £7.50, which I think is super affordable. You get 28.5 mils in the bottle, and they have 6 different shades, and I have gone for nude. Now you will have to bear with me, I'm not actually feeling my best today, so my skin is a little bit red and a little bit paler than normal, so the shade might not match completely compared to what it normally is because I'm getting the dreadful winter flu. Now it says on the side, where I apply this a little, I can give you a little bit of product information. It says, looking for a weightless protected coverage, the BB cream foundation blends super easy, which it does. And I would say if you are going to get a product like this, don't go kind of too much on the face straight away, because it does, like the littlest amount goes a long way. So like I've only just done 3 little dots there, and I'm just going to blend it round, and you'll see it just go a really long way, and you can build on it rather than putting too much on, which I've done many of times, and then you have to start from scratch again. Now this is made up with infused with cucumber, jojoba, vitamin E, which all are things to help keep your skin healthy and hydrated. Obviously when you are picking things online, it is very hard to match your shades, so I would recommend to everyone, before kind of doing or buying makeup, go into a store and get a colour match, because you want to find out what fits you, like what's your actual shade that you should be having, because I think so many people try makeup and they go for the wrong shade and it really puts them off. But if you get the right shade, it can make a massive difference. Now I'm just gonna make sure I cover all the areas, because obviously it is a lot darker than my skin, so I just want to make sure it's fully blended, and then I will come back and tell you all about the amazing giveaway that I'm going to be doing in today's video. So it's the moment you've all been waiting for, time to talk about the Christmas giveaway. Now e.l.f. have some amazing gift sets on their website at the moment. They have some for under £5, under £10, under £15, some more premium ones, so there is a gift set for everyone. That could be for yourself or someone else this Christmas as a perfect gift, and you could be within the chance of winning one for yourself. Now Now, all you need to do is go over to the e.l.f. Cosmetics website. I'll link it down in the description box below, and go and find a gift set that you would like to win. Now, come back to this YouTube video, comment down below the name of that gift set, and you could win that gift set yourself. Now, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube and you've also given this video a thumbs up, and the gift set could be yours. Now, I've got a couple of them here. We have a brush set, which is amazing. We've got a mini skincare set, which has got a cleanser, a toner, a face mask, and a moisturizer. And we have my favorite, which is the best of e.l.f. skincare. Just to give you a little bit of product knowledge about what you could get in one of these box sets. This one is the skincare set, which is specially curated, includes the must-have products from every e.l.f. skincare collection to help you achieve a soft, healthy, glowing skin, which is what we all want, of course. Now, it says it's complete with our best-selling Hello Hydrating Face Cream, which is amazing, by the way, the Hydrating Sheet Mask, mini daily face cleanser, a toner, and also the Illuminating Eye Cream to give you a taste of what e.l.f. skincare has to offer. So if you want to win something like this, all you need to do is comment the name down in the description box below. Now, I just want to point out that as it is a very busy period for businesses at the moment, the product or the gift set might not arrive to you for Christmas. So it might be one of those times, which I think is actually quite nice, that you open up all your gifts on Christmas and you still have one more to come from e.l.f. So I just want you to bear that in mind. If you are the winner, it might come just after Christmas. So next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer. Now, these are £4.50, which I think is incredible. I got this in shade beige. It's a nice light color, which is just going to brighten my eye area a little bit. And then also, it can be used to correct discoloration, to hide spots and acne, and also, which I'm doing right now, to brighten up and hide those dark circles. Now, as this is quite again, a creamy product, it's a very small product as well. It's great that you can take it around with you and you can just easily blend this with your fingers. Rather than a liquid product that you would have to kind of take a beauty blender out with you, this is very easy to just take out with you because you can blend it very naturally and easily with your finger. So I'm just gonna also conceal some of the spots that I've got. So I have one on my nose here. We've got a couple on my head. As I said, this winter cold that's coming is really affecting my skin at the moment. I normally have quite good skin because I do take care of it with a morning and nighttime routine. However, this weather is really putting a lot of strain. So the concealer is coming out a lot more often than normal, especially in summer. The concealer doesn't have to come out as much. I'm now going to move on to their contour palette. Now, I used to buy a bronzer, and then I've recently started to use a very natural kind of small amount of contour just to highlight my cheekbones a lot more, because I do have very high, good cheekbones. Just want to highlight them just a little bit. But recently, I have discovered that you can get these amazing palettes that come with 4 different shades. So instead of having to buy a contour and a bronzer, you can just buy one of these and it'll have kind of your highlight and your contour and your bronzer in one. Now, this is the, where is it? This is £7.50. You can get a light or medium or the dark and deep. Of course, I like a bronze. I like to go dark. This is the dark and deep. So it's the Sculpt Shade and Brighten with 4 shade powder contour palette. It's customized to match your skin tone and infused with vitamin E. Again, a lot of these products, they are cruelty free and they're infused with vitamin E, which is great because it's keeping your skin hydrated. So I'm just gonna go in with this kind of lighter brown shade here as a bronzer. I don't want to go in too much because as the BB cream was quite dark for my skin anyway, I don't want to go too dark, but I do go around my beard area because with any kind of creamy products, like a BB cream, I don't like to go too much into my beard because it does cling to your hairs and it can kind of look a bit orange gingery. So this is where I kind of correct that part and blend it all in by using the contour palette. So I'm just going to go around the head. I do actually bronze my whole face because we're going for that natural look, so I don't want to look too many different tones on my face. I'm going to stay clear of my eyes because we've brightened them up. And then what I'm going to do is go in with this really dark shade, but be very careful with this because you don't want to go in too much with this and it just be like on your face. And I'm just going to, it is quite dark as you can tell, I'm going to blend this around kind of my cheek area to really highlight that area. As I said, it's something that I like. You might want to go for the light medium shades, depending on what skin tone you have. But I'm just going to blend this in around my cheek areas now. And then we actually have 2 more products to go to finish off this routine. So next we're going to go in with the Matte Magic Mist and Set. It's going to help me achieve that matte finish, which is what I like. Now this is £5 and it says the multi-purpose Matte Magic Mist and Set Spray gives your makeup a lasting shine-free finish in seconds, infused with vitamin B and E. Again, great for the skin. And it says Artium Matius root. I think it is, I can't really pronounce that. It says enjoy a shine-free look today. So I'm going to do a few sprays of this. It definitely feels very refreshing when you spray it on. And then the final product that we're going to go in with, which is a very key, vital product for me, is a lip balm. I get very dry lips and there's no point doing all your face, looking nice, and then having dry, scabby lips. Now I'm always on the lookout for a new lip balm that really works for my lips, and this one has been doing great. It's the Calm Balm. It says this lip balm is infused with hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil to nourish the lips, we'll get there in the end, and deliver a healthy, natural looking shine. And it looks very natural on the lips, which is great. I don't like a greasy lip balm that looks like it's all clung to the lips. So I'm just going to apply a little bit like that. As you can see, it just gives it a nice, healthy look. So that is it, guys. They are the 7 steps in this today's makeup look. As you can see, it is a little bit darker than normal, but as I said, my skin tone is quite light at the moment because I've come down with this flu, but I still think it looks very nice on the skin. So all of those products I'll be linking down in the description box below. And don't forget, if you do want to win a gift set from e.l.f. Cosmetics, make sure you go and enter in, go over to their website, choose a gift set that you want to win, come back, comment it down in the comments box below, make sure you're subscribed and you've given this video a thumbs up, and you could be within a chance of winning. I'm going to announce the winner in about a week's time, so it will be before Christmas. I'll let you know if you are the winner. I will also message you, I'll comment to you and let you know that you are the winner, just so then you can message me directly and give me your address, etc., so I can give to the brand to get the gift set sent out. e.l.f. have also kind of provided me with a special code that you guys can use over on the website. It's Carl e.l.f. Holidays. I'll pop it down in the description box below, as well as all the T's and C's. If you spend more than $40 before the 31st of December, you will receive a free Nabela Noor brush set. Check the T's and C's before you do anything. All the products I've spoke about in today's video will be linked down in the description box below. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy this everyday look. Let me know what you think. Good luck with the competition. I'll be letting a winner know very soon. And that is it, guys. Take care. I'll see you very soon on another video. See you then.